Guys, in front of me is REALME C61 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone gallery, then select the contact that you want to add this profile picture to, mark edit, select add picture, and now you can choose some illustration, one from Google Photos if you've got your account connected. You can open your gallery and select some photo from it, or you can grab a photo right now by tapping on camera. Let me select something from my gallery. Okay, so let's try with another one. Now customize it however you like, tap on choose then, and mark save to apply the photo. And that's it. From now on, this photo is assigned to contact. Obviously, you can change it whenever you want. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.